Today I am teaching you SFD and BMD. For shear force, the bottom arrow will consider as a positive and upward will be negative. For bending, for sagging, I will consider as a negative. For hogging, I will consider as a positive bending moment. First, I will consider, convert this UDL into point load. First, I will convert that UDL into point load. This is the problem of cantilever beam having point load and UDL. This is 2 kilonewton at B. E, now point load, we are converting into point load, then you have to multiply 10 into 2 at the exactly at the centroid, that is 1 meter here, 1 meter here. 10 into 2, that is 20 kilo Newton. Meter get cancelled. This is the D point, this is C point, 1.5 meter, this is 1 meter, here fixed, A is fixed. Now I will go for SF and writing the shear force at B. If there is a point load acting, I will consider left and right. On the right, B at right, there is no load, 0. BM at B left, downward 2 kilonewton. Similarly at E, SF at E. SF at E, there is no load, therefore only the previous value, 2 kilonewton, single letter you have to write. SF at D, there is no load, therefore single letter D has to be written. Therefore 2 into 20, that is 2 plus 20, 22 kilonewton. 22 kilonewton. Now SF at C, because there is a point load acting, therefore right and left. Right, on the right, this is the right, previous value 22 kilonewton you have to write as it is. On left, SFC at left you have to consider 3 kilonewton. 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3, 25 kilonewton. 25 kilonewton. And SF at A, there is no load, a single letter. This is the previous value, 25 kilonewton. Now draw the shear force diagram here. This is shear force diagram, SFD. Upward is positive, downward is negative. Downward is negative, upward is positive here. Positive. First 25. This is 25 kilonewton positive. At C, again 25 kilonewton. This is C. At C, there is a left and right, 25 and 22. There are two values at the C, left and right. At D, 22 kilonewton. At E, it is 2 kilonewton. At B, 2 kilonewton, and the two values is 2 and 0. Now here there is no UDL, therefore straight line downward. There is no UDL, straight line. There is a UDL, inclined line. Again straight line, 0. Positive, 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 positive. Shear force diagram. I will go for bending moment from left side. Bending moment at A. Bending moment at A. Bending moment at A. I will prefer this diagram. Now 2, it is sagging now. It is hogging now, hogging. In this way it will bend. Force into perpendicular distance. It is force minus 2 into complete distance. Complete distance, that is 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 1. Answer is minus 80. Sorry. Again I have to consider this part. Once again I will write it, this part. BM at A, minus 2 into distance, 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus 1. Next this part minus 20 into total distance, minus 20 into total distance, that is 1 plus 1.5 plus 1. Next, minus 3 into 1. The answer is minus 58. Answer is minus 83 kilonewton meter. Now at C, BM at C. BM at C, similarly, it is a hogging, minus 2 into distance, 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1.5 minus 20 into distance, 1 plus 1.5 Answer for this one is minus 58 kilonewton meter. Similarly at D, bending moment at D, minus 2 into distance, 0.5 plus 1 plus 1 minus 20 into 1, 20 into 1 minus 25 kilonewton meter, minus 25 kilonewton meter. Now at E, bending moment at E, minus 2 into 0.5, minus 2 into 0.5 minus 1 kilonewton meter, and BM at B will be 0. BM D, the upward is positive, downward is negative. First value is at A 83, minus 83 kilonewton meter. At C, minus 58 kilonewton meter. Next, minus 25 kilonewton meter. At D, at E, minus 1 kilonewton meter and 0. Now here there is no UDL, straight line. Again there is no UDL, straight line. There is a UDL. There is a UDL, parabola. Again there is no UDL, straight line. Negative, 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 negative. In this way you have to solve the problem by converting the UDL into point load to the cantilever beam.